Welcome to Best Choice. The best golf ball markers is probably one of the most overlooked accessories in a golfer's bag, but trust me, they're essential. Today, we're diving deep into the world of golf ball markers, exploring the best options out there for men, from sleek and stylish designs to those that offer a bit of personality. We'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect marker that not only helps your game but also reflects your unique style on the green. Number 5. Balanced Company. Funny Golf Hat Clip with Marker. This is a must-have accessory for any golf enthusiast. It's a convenient way to keep track of your ball marker on the course. The ball marker is 1.25 inches in diameter. It's made with high-quality soft enamel and a premium zinc alloy, ensuring durability and a stylish look. The magnetic clip easily attaches to your hat, belt, bag, or pocket. This ensures that it's always within reach when you need it. Simply attach the clip to your desired location. The magnetic ball marker will stay securely in place until you need to use it. This hat clip is the perfect gift for any golfer. It's a practical and fun accessory that they're sure to love. What we like. This hat clip easily attaches to your hat, belt, or bag. It features a durable zinc alloy construction. If you are looking for a convenient and stylish way to mark your ball, this is a great choice. It's perfect for golfers who want a hassle-free experience on the course. What people say. It's great quality, has a strong magnet and a durable clip to put on a hat. The ball markers were easy to attach, looks great and hold well using the magnetic clip. Fun ball marker design, comes with a magnetic clip that affixes to your cap or visor, good size, got a couple of laughs from my buddies when I showed them. Number 4. Myartte 24.4mm Soft Enamel Golf Ball Markers. These golf ball markers from Myartte are made with premium iron material. You won't have to worry about scratches on the surface. The markers feature a delicate enamel design, mimicking the shape of a golf ball. They incorporate creative golf elements, offering a unique look. These ball markers clearly mark your golf ball on the grass. They come in vibrant colors and various interesting golf patterns. The size is standard at 24.4mm. You'll receive an assortment of 5 iron golf markers. Each one is designed to stand out on the green. If you have any quality concerns, please contact us. We are committed to providing a satisfactory solution and 100% customer service. What we like. These markers are made with premium iron material and feature a delicate enamel craft. The unique designs add a touch of personality to your game. If you like to express your style on the course and want a set of markers that stand out, these are perfect for you. What people say. The ball markers are easy to read. The alignment tool is very helpful. The markers are well made and durable. Number 3. Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. This divot tool is the perfect gift for any golfer. It's designed with multiple functions to enhance your game on the course. It's a must-have for any golf enthusiast. Made with durable zinc alloy, this tool is built to withstand the rigors of the game. It's exceptionally sturdy, allowing you to easily repair divots on the green. You can count on it to last. The compact and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. The ball marker is also included, making it easy to mark your ball. It's designed for convenience. The built-in nylon bristle brush and metal groove cleaner help keep your clubs in top shape. Removing dirt and debris is easier than ever. This feature ensures your clubs always look their best. Quickly mark your ball with the new and improved magnetic ball marker. It features the Callaway logo, adding a touch of style. It's a convenient and stylish addition to your gear. What we like. This 4-in-1 tool is designed for on-course play. It features an ergonomic design and a built-in club cleaner. If you are looking for a versatile tool that combines multiple functions in one, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for golfers who appreciate convenience and efficiency. What people say. The ball markers are easy to read. The alignment tool is very helpful. The markers are well made and durable. Number 2. 8-pack golf ball marker set. Tired of guessing which golf ball is yours? This set helps you mark your balls quickly and easily. Now you can immediately identify it while playing. The package includes 3 semi-sphere stencils, 1 clip stencil, and 4 permanent markers in different colors. Please note that golf balls are not included. Easily draw straight lines and arrows to improve your swing and putting alignment. The marks help you find a better angle and achieve your goals on the course. The included markers are permanent, so the marks won't be wiped off with water. The templates snap on well and stay in place, making them simple to use. This set is a great gift for any golfer, whether they're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Every serious golfer should have these in their bag. What we like. This set helps you quickly mark your golf balls for easy identification. It includes permanent markers and stencils for drawing straight lines. If you have trouble with your swing alignment or want to easily identify your ball, this is a must-have. It's perfect for golfers looking to improve their game. What people say. The ball marker is very easy to read. The alignment tool works great and is easy to use. The marker is a good size and easy to see on the green. Number 1. Da Vinci Golf Ball Marker Poker Chip Collection. Introducing the Da Vinci Golf Ball Marker Poker Chip Collection. These unique markers are perfect for any golf enthusiast. They are a great way to add some fun to your game. Each chip in this collection weighs 11.5 grams and is made of casino-quality clay composite. This ensures they are durable and feel great in your hand. You'll love the quality. These poker chips are imprinted in the USA. The high-quality printing ensures the design will last. It's a great way to show off your style. Looking for the perfect gift for a golfer? Look no further. This collection is ideal for golf outings, fundraisers, or even gift bags. They will be thrilled to receive it. The chips are standard casino size, with a 1.5-inch diameter. This makes them easy to handle and use on the green. Get yours today. What we like. These markers are designed as poker chips, offering a unique look. They are made with casino-quality materials. If you are looking for a unique gift for a golfing enthusiast, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy a touch of flair on the green. What people say. The ball markers are very well made. The magnetic closure is strong and keeps the marker secure. The design is great and the markers are easy to see on the green. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.